Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate academic research with Google Scholar, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type Google Scholar or go directly to scholar.google.com. Once you are on the Google Scholar homepage, you will see a search bar. Begin by entering relevant keywords related to your research topic. Press the Enter key or click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. Review the search results presented on the page. To refine your search, consider using filters on the left sidebar. You can filter results by year, allowing you to focus on the most recent research. For more specific results, use quotation marks around phrases to search for exact matches. Once you find an article of interest, click on the title to access its details. On the right side, you may see links for PDFs or other versions of the paper. Next, take note of the cited by link, which shows how many times this paper has been referenced. Clicking on cited by will lead you to related research that has cited this work. Another helpful feature is the related articles link below the paper's details. You can explore these related articles for broader context on your topic. To save papers, consider using the Google Scholar Library feature. On the search results page, click the star icon next to any papers you want to save. To access your saved papers later, click on My Profile or My Library in the menu. For keeping up with new research, set up alerts for your search queries. Click on the envelope icon on the left sidebar to create an alert. Fill in the alert form with your search terms and frequency preferences. Click Create Alert to receive notifications via email. To stay organized, consider using reference management software. Programs like Zotero or Mendeley can help you manage your citations. You can import references directly from Google Scholar into these programs. This will streamline the citation process for your writing. As you compile your research, regularly check Google Scholar for updates. This habit will ensure you are accessing the latest academic work available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.